Hey class, so for sight words this week, it is actually a review week. We're going to make sure that we have all of our new sight words down that we've learned over the last 4 weeks and also review our old sight words. So please make sure that you are practicing those words and that you have them down. So here we go. Make. Oh. Play. No. Said. He, good, all, she, I, is, to, you, what, we, now, a, come, and, are, see, with, will, like, this, how, me, my, the, can, find, go, for, be. Try to read them faster than I read them, and you can watch this video more than one time so that you can keep practicing those sight words. Good luck!